Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Chiamaka. This channel is created to share my knowledge of Igbo with you guys. On today's topic, we'll be treating how to greet in Igbo, which means ekele ndị Igbo, otu esi ekele na ana Igbo. In the morning, you say good morning, nke pụtara ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning, which means ụtụtụ ọma. At noon, good afternoon. Good afternoon, that is ehihie ọma. Good afternoon, ehihie ọma. In the evening, good evening, mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Remember we said in the morning, good morning, which means ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon, ehihie ọma. Good evening, mgbede ọma. As we go, I'll be teaching you people on various ways to greet apart from good afternoon, good morning, good evening. We have so many greetings in Igbo. Ekele ndị Igbo dị ọtụtụ. I ga-ebido from somewhere. That means we'll start from somewhere. So apart from good morning, good afternoon, good evening, we'll have good night. That is when you're about to sleep. You say good night to your mommy, to your daddy, to anybody around you. Good night. So how to say it in Igbo? Kachifo, kachifo, kachifo. Remember, good morning, ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon, ehihie ọma. Good evening, mgbede ọma. Then good night, kachifo, kachifo. Esolobazaya bụ Igbo gaba, when you are entering deep Igbo, we have several mother tongues in Igbo. Ya bụ olundi. Olundi dị iche iche n'Igbo. Ọtụtụ mgbe, sometimes, some of us will wake up, you will hear something like Ibolachi, Esalachi, Itela. It's still hitting to the same place. Good morning. In Igbo land, some people will wake up and say Ibolachi, Ibolachi. If you are to translate it direct to English, it will be something like, have you woken up? But you know, there is nothing like that. When you are seeing somebody that is already awake, you will be asking. But in Igbo, it's assumed to be good morning as well. Ebolachi, Esalachi, Itela is still good morning. Then we have other greetings for someone that is working. For a person working, there is a way you can greet someone at work. When someone is working and you want to greet that person, you can say, well done in English. That is well done. But in Igbo, it is said like this, daalụ. You can say daalụ, that is still well done. You can say jisike, and you are trying to encourage the person in what he or she is doing. Jisike. When you see someone that is working, I said again, daalụ. Daalụ, daalụ. Jisike, jisike. When it's someone that is traveling, let's assume a mother is traveling to a different location, maybe a different state, and the children want to say, mommy, safe journey. Oh, the way you say it is, mommy, ije ọma, ije ọma, ije ọma. Ije ọma, that is safe journey. Safe journey. Ije ọma means safe journey. Apart from saying ije ọma, which means safe journey, you can as well say na-agbo, na-agbo, that is come back on time. Nata gbo, lota gbo. You know, when you come to Igbo language, there are several words, several alphabets that are used to swallow each other. That is when we are going deep into Igbo. You understand what I'm saying? Just like this Nabo. If you want to say it in details, it will be Lotabo, Natabo, Natabo. But to shorten it, you say Nabo. Nabo. When someone is traveling, you can say Nabo. Not just traveling, when you are going somewhere and someone wants to say like safe journey of a thing. Yeah, safe journey. You say Nabo Ije Oma. Another one is thank you. How to say thank you in Igbo? Thank you in Igbo, to appreciate something. When someone do something for you, you want to show appreciation for what he or she have done for you. You say daalụ, daalụ, daalụ. That is thank you. You can as well say imeela. You have done well. You have done so well. You have done so well is imeela. Thank you, daalụ. The two of them can be used to appreciate good deeds from someone. The two of them can be used to appreciate what someone have done for you. I believe you must have learned one or two on this topic today. Remember, good morning, ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon, ehihie ọma. Good evening, mgbede ọma, wee dịrịzị agaba. That is ETC in Igbo, wee dịga, wee dịrịzị agaba. So, don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, and share. Till next time.